diwa. We should say when we sneeze and reply to person who sneezes. When we sneeze, we should say Alhamdulillah. It means all praise is for Allah. When we see somebody sneezing and saying Alhamdulillah, we should reply by saying Yarhamukallah. It means may Allah have mercy upon you. The sneezer should reply back by saying Yahdikumullahu wa yuslihu balakum. It means may Allah guide you and rectify your condition.